It happened again. Yahoo has been hit by a new hack, this time compromising more than 1 billion users. If you are a Yahoo or Flickr user from before 2013, your personal info is likely part of this breach. Tumblr accounts, however, are safe. Although we are just hearing about it now, the attack happened 3 years ago, and that's plenty of time for hackers to exploit your stolen information. If you're involved in the data breach, Yahoo has likely sent you an email alert and prompted you to reset your password. But changing a password doesn't solve everything. Be on the lookout for suspicious activity on your account. Your Yahoo email could be sending spam to your contacts. Check to see if your account info or settings have been changed. Check your recent activity page to see if there have been any logins from unexpected locations. And you may also see odd activity on non-Yahoo accounts. Hackers may have used your Yahoo password and login details to try to break into other services. When you do change your password, make it something complicated, like a phrase, and be sure to use two-factor authentication on all of your online accounts. Yahoo's version of this extra security is called Yahoo Account Key. For CNET, I'm Bridget Carey.